Bharatiya Janata Party was hoping to hit a hat-trick in this election season. There are 90 seats in the Haryana Assembly which are going to vote. It started off very slowly. Less than 10% was the numbers in the first 2 hours of voting. But slowly the voters are coming out. More than anything else, it's heartening to see women voters coming out one after the other. This is an area which has been infamous for patriarchy, for feticide, for female infanticide and feticide. But these women voters are coming out, and women, Bharatiya Janata Party has always hoped will stand with them. But on the other side of the road, you see the Congress polling agents also showing a very positive picture. What are the issues on which the Congress party thinks they have an edge? They feel that they have an edge on the issues of MSP, the minimum support price for farmers. Farmer agitation has been an emotive issue for both Punjab and Haryana agriculturalists, and that is something that Congress hopes will prove to be the nemesis for BJP. The other card that has been played by the Congress by fielding Vinesh Fogart is the emotional card. This area, the state of Haryana, has a very strong attachment with the wrestlers, and therefore those pictures from Jantar Mantar of the wrestlers being pulled and pushed by the Delhi police is something that the Congress is highlighting again and again. The third thing is that of Agnipath scheme. The Agniveers, again, this area of Haryana sends a lot of people to the army, the air force, the local police, and therefore the Agnipath scheme, again, something that the Congress is trying to encash. But it's all well with the Congress camp. The Bharatiya Janata Party is not letting go of the opportunity to highlight how Congress is a divided camp. Kumari Shailaja is the Dalit face of the Congress party. She feels she has been sidelined. Bharatiya Janata Party also accusing Congress of being anti-Dalit and hoping that the caste card, Jat versus non-Jat, Chhattis Biradri, the OBC factor, with Saini being sworn in as a chief minister just 6 months before elections happened, BJP is hoping that all of these together will help it come back to Haryana Assembly on the Treasury side for a third term. We'll know the answers on which side is gauging the situation correctly on the 8th of October.
CNBC TV 18, an unending pursuit for excellence. A pioneer, a leader, a visionary, building a lasting legacy of credibility, consistency, and trust. Giving unparalleled access to global thought leaders and powering conversations that are shaping the new world order. Setting the highest standards through exemplary leadership. It is this unrivaled reputation for the most comprehensive coverage, actionable intelligence, and in-depth reporting that makes CNBC TV 18 India's #1 business news brand. Foreseeing change, growth, and transformation for over a quarter of a century. Trendsetters crafting innovative content formats. And award-winning business journalism. On air, online, on social media. As we embark upon 25 years of excellence, we invite you to be a part of our future. CNBC TV 18, your trusted partner and investment ally.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.